Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove stock from trading 212 Pi. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so your Pi reflects the holdings you actually want. Begin by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the desktop app and signing in securely. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface for the Pi icon. This takes you to the Pis and Auto Invest area, where all of your Pis are organized. From the list, choose the Pi you want to adjust. In the example, you might see something like a sample Pi, but in your account, simply select the specific Pi you plan to edit. Opening it shows the current stocks and their target percentages, so you can confirm you're in the right place before making changes. Next, enter editing mode by selecting Edit Pi. This switches the view from a read-only summary to a mode where you can change holdings and allocations. You'll notice options related to adding or removing investments and a visual breakdown of your current targets. To remove a stock, choose the Remove option. This focuses the interface on the holdings list so you can clearly identify the position you want to take out. Find the stock you're removing and click the small X next to its name. When you press that X, you're telling the Pi to exclude that instrument from future target allocations. You'll typically see the pie chart and percentages update to reflect that the stock is no longer part of the mix, and any remaining targets may shift or show temporarily unassigned allocation until you confirm. Take a moment to review the result. Make sure you remove the correct symbol and that the remaining weights look sensible for your goals. If you change your mind at this stage, you can still back out of editing without saving. When you're satisfied, click Done to finalize the change. This saves your updated Pi. Depending on your auto invest or rebalance preferences, Trading 212 may schedule adjustments to bring your actual holdings in line with the new targets. That can include selling part or all of the removed stock if it's currently held in the Pi, or leaving cash to be redistributed according to your setup. Give the system a little time to process, then revisit the Pi to confirm the update appears as expected. That's it. You've successfully removed a stock from your Trading 212 Pi. Remember to review your Pi's targets and any pending orders afterward so everything aligns with your plan.